In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up TradingView for day trading. We'll build a clean, reliable workspace so you can read the market quickly, confirm your bias, and act with confidence. Start by opening TradingView and heading to Supercharts. This is your main workspace. Set the chart type to candlesticks. Candlesticks show open, high, low, and close in a compact way, making it easier to spot momentum shifts and rejection wicks that matter for fast decisions. Next, get your time frames in order. Use the 1-hour and 4-hour charts to understand the broader trend. This gives you a higher time frame bias. Are we generally trending up, down, or ranging? Then drop to the 5-minute or 15-minute chart to plan your actual entries. That combination is the essence of day trading. Fast timeframes for execution, backed by higher timeframe confirmation, so you're not fighting the bigger move. Now choose the right market. Focus on liquid symbols where orders fill smoothly and charts move cleanly. Good examples are XAUSD for gold, BTCUSD for crypto, and EURUSD for Forex. Liquidity helps reduce slippage and makes your levels and indicators more trustworthy throughout the session. Build your core setup with 3 essentials: an exponential moving average for trend direction, the relative strength index for momentum, and volume for confirmation. In TradingView, click Indicators and add an EMA, RSI, and volume. The EMA guides you on whether to favor longs or shorts. The RSI helps you read momentum. Are pushes getting stronger or fading? Volume confirms participation, so you can distinguish a real move from a weak drift. Use the default settings or your preferred parameters. Consistency is more important than the exact number. Mark your key levels next. From the left toolbar, use drawing tools to outline support zones where price has repeatedly held and resistance zones where it has repeatedly stalled. Think in zones, not razor-thin lines, and anchor them to recent swing highs and lows. These levels become your map for where to wait, react, and manage risk. Finally, set alerts so you don't have to stare at the screen non-stop. Click the bell icon and create alerts for price approaching your support or resistance zones, EMA crossovers that hint at shifting trend, and RSI extremes that may signal exhaustion. Configure the alerts to trigger once per touch or per bar, close based on your preference, and keep your messages clear so you know exactly what happened when the alert fires. That's your streamlined day trading setup. Higher time frame context, fast time frame execution, a focused indicator stack, mapped levels, and smart alerts to keep you ready.